Imagine a car so luxurious it redefines what it means to ride in style. Forget bumpy roads and cramped legroom. This vehicle is a rolling palace. Curious to see what it is? Join me as I reveal the undisputed king of comfort, the most luxurious car in the world. Get ready to be amazed. This is the Rolls-Royce Rose Noire Droptail. The Rolls-Royce Rose Noire Droptail is a breathtaking manifestation of luxury, exclusivity, and bespoke craftsmanship. This ultra-rare vehicle is not just a car, it's a statement of opulence and a testament to Rolls-Royce's dedication to creating one-of-a-kind masterpieces. Price and exclusivity. The Rose Noire Droptail is reportedly priced at over $30 million, making it one of the most expensive cars in the world. This staggering price tag reflects the car's rarity and the meticulous attention to detail that goes into its creation. With only 4 such unique commissions, owning a Rose Noire Droptail is an exclusive privilege reserved for the most ambitious collectors and patrons of the arts. Design and aesthetics. The allure of the black baccarat inspires the design of the Rose Noire Droptail Rose, with a color scheme that includes true love and mystery. These colors are designed to shift and shimmer under different lighting conditions, much like the petals of the rose itself. The vehicle's exterior blends classic Rolls-Royce elegance and modern design elements, such as a redesigned monogram badge and a slight kink at the top of the Pantheon grille. Interior luxury. The interior of the Rolls-Royce Rose Noire Droptail is a sanctuary of opulence, designed to provide an unparalleled experience of luxury and comfort. Here's a deeper look into the luxurious features that make the interior of this car so extraordinary. Cocooning 2-seat interior. The Rose Noire Droptail diverges from Rolls-Royce's traditional 4-seat convention, offering a cocooning 2-seat interior that represents the return of the roadster body type. This design choice emphasizes intimacy and exclusivity, creating a personal haven for the driver and passenger. Bespoke craftsmanship. Every inch of the interior is meticulously crafted, featuring a combination of 1,603 blackwood veneer triangles in an intricate design meant to depict falling rose petals. This parquetry took nearly 2 years to perfect, providing an enveloping backdrop for passengers and challenging the conventions of luxury. Sumptuous seating. The seats are adorned in dark red mystery and light red true love leather, finished with a subtle copper shimmer. This choice of materials evokes the pearlescent texture of the black baccarat rose petals, offering comfort and aesthetic pleasure. The hand-stitched seats feature a quilted pattern, adding to the car's bespoke feel. Exquisite materials. The dashboard is made from a single piece of wood, showcasing Rolls-Royce's commitment to using only the finest materials. It also features a clock made from a meteorite, adding a celestial touch to the car's interior design. Champagne chest and cooler, a highlight of the Rose Noire. Droptail's interior luxury is the champagne chest and cooler, designed to carry the client's precious vintage and flutes. This feature adds to the car's opulence and enhances the overall experience of luxury travel. The interior of the Rolls-Royce Rose Noire Droptail is a masterclass in luxury design, combining bespoke craftsmanship, exquisite materials, and thoughtful features to create an environment that is both luxurious and intimate. It's a space where every journey becomes a special occasion, and every detail is a testament to Rolls-Royce's legacy of luxury. Performance. Underneath the hood lies a classic 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, which has been given an extra boost of 30 HP for this model. While performance details are often exclusive, one can expect the Rose Noire Droptail to deliver an exquisite driving experience consistent with Rolls-Royce's reputation for smooth and powerful engines. Symbolism and statement. Owning a Rose Noire Droptail goes beyond the mere act of driving. It's about making a bold statement. It symbolizes achievement, aspiration, and the pinnacle of human ingenuity. This car is a dream realized in metal, leather, and paint, representing a level of achievement that few can attain. The Rolls-Royce Rose Noire Droptail is more than just the most luxurious car in the world. It symbolizes what can be achieved when passion, artistry, and engineering create something extraordinary. Its price, features, and exclusivity place it in a league reserved for those seeking luxury and personal expression. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video.